chunking along.
Hi, Sophie. You gonna walk soon? You gonna walk, baby? Watch out, world. When Sophie walks, Miss Mischievous.
It's too easy going downhill, wasn't it? Let's go back this way.
She likes to turn it left. Hi. Is the wind on your face? Keep pushing. She's thinking about whether pushing or playing.
You gonna zoom past me? Yeah, it's a rock. Oh, careful. Easy, careful.
Dinosaur?
Alright, say bye-bye to everybody.
Bye.
Gamador.
Bramador. Hey,
Gamador.
Sus, Bramador. Can you wave?
Come on.
The rock is more important.
Say it again. Yep, Gamador. Gamador.
Sus?